What is one of the top 50 most used words in Chinese, essential for giving gifts, getting help, and ordering your favorite food? It is this powerhouse character, gay. You will hear it everywhere, and after this video, you'll be able to use it like a pro. Let's get started. Now, let's look at its shape. Gay is made up of two parts. This is the silk radical. It often appears in characters related to threads or textiles. This is he, which means to combine or to join. Think of combining threads to give someone as a gift. Now let's practice writing this Chinese character. Watch the correct stroke order. The core meaning of gay is to give. The sentence structure is simple and follows a logical pattern. Subject plus gay plus receiver plus thing. For example, she gives me a pen. In Chinese would be 她给我一支笔. Gay here means to give. Now, it's your turn. How would you say we give the teacher an apple? 我们给老师一个苹果. For example, I bought a book for Xiaoming. In Chinese would be 我给小明买书. Or you can also say 我买书给小明. So which one is better? Well, the second sentence 我买书给小明 often sounds more like a textbook example or a literal translation from English. I buy a book to give to Xiaoming. It's not wrong, and you will hear it in spoken Chinese, but it carries a specific nuance that makes it less common in fast, natural conversation compared to 我给小明买书. The structure subject plus verb plus object plus 给 plus receiver mirrors the English word order almost exactly. For most everyday talking, lead with 给 and who it is for. It's the quickest, most common way to get your point across. Let's take a look at more examples. 我给你泡茶. I'll make tea for you. 他给我唱一首歌. He sings a song for me, or he sings for me. 给 is the star of many essential everyday phrases. Let's learn a few. Number one, 给你. It means here you go, or this is for you. This is the most basic and frequently used phrase. You use it when handing something to someone, like a book, a menu, a cup, or a gift. Number two, 请给我. Please give me, or can I have? This is the essential phrase for ordering, shopping, and making polite requests. For example, in a cafe, you can say 请给我一杯咖啡. Number three, 给我打电话. When you want someone to call you, you can say 给我打电话. Number four, 给我看看. It means let me see or show it to me. When you want to look at something someone else has, you use 看看. It makes it soft and casual. For example, your friend bought a new phone and you want to have a look. You can say 给我看看. Number five, 我给你买. I'll buy it for you, or it's my treat. This is a hugely useful phrase for being generous or offering to pay for something. This structure, 给 plus recipient plus verb, is the key to many sentences. Now, let's level up. Gay is also used in some more advanced and powerful idiomatic expressions. These are very common in dramas and everyday speech to express strong emotions. The first one is a powerful warning. 给他点颜色看看. This phrase literally means give him some color to see. But the real meaning is much stronger. Is to teach someone a lesson or to show someone what you are made of. The second idiom is used when someone is being ungrateful or disrespectful. 给脸不要脸. Face 脸 here means respect or honor. So this means literally, I give you face, but you don't want face. In simple terms, it means you're being ungrateful for my kindness, or I tried to be nice, but you refuse to accept it. It's a very strong criticism. Okay, here's a bonus for making it this far. Gay has one more super common trick. Sometimes it doesn't mean give at all. Listen to this. 他把作业给忘了. He forgot his homework. But that little 给 in the middle adds a special feeling. It adds emphasis, like surprise or a little frustration. It's like saying in English, he went and forgot his homework. This is an advanced but very natural pattern you'll hear all the time in spoken Chinese. 我把他的名字给忘了. The 给 here is colloquial used for emphasis. It makes the sentence sound more natural and a bit stronger in feeling, almost like I actually forgot his name or I totally forgot his name. Secondly, 给 is often used like 被 for passive voice. You will hear it in certain parts of China, especially the north, in casual speech. Let's compare these two sentences. 我的钱给小偷偷走了 and 我的钱被小偷给偷走了. These two sentences both mean the exact same thing, but they sound slightly different. For this sentence, 我的钱被小偷给偷走了 is the standard, more common way to say it. This is the more normal and go-to phrase for complaining about something bad that happened. 被 is the main word for by in a bad situation. 给, on the other hand, adds emphasis and makes the complaint sound more vivid and natural. So this is the best one to use. It's correct, clear, and sounds natural. Let's do a quick review. 给 can mean to give. 我给他书, I give him a book. It can also be used as preposition, which means for in English. 我给他买书, I buy a book for him. It can also be used in common phrases like 请给我, please give me, or 给你买, I'll buy it for you. And also be used in idioms like 给脸不要脸. I give you face, but you do not want face means being disrespectful. You have done it. You have gone from the basic meaning of give all the way to understanding advanced Chinese idioms. Now it's your turn. Try to use 给 today. 给 this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more lessons that helped you level up your Chinese. 再见。